Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. A controversial businessman, Wignell Chivayo, has described the Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 as unstoppable and inevitable, saying to allow government to focus on development instead of continuous election campaign. In a statement posted on social media, Chivayo said the bill had been submitted to Parliament for its first reading and that MPs will decide its fate. He argued that extending the election cycle to 7 years, as proposed, would give more focus to real issues of development and Zimbabwe's goal of becoming an upper middle income economy under Vision 2030. The MPs are there to represent the people and they will decide the fate of the bill and the future of Zimbabwe's socio-economic development, Chivayo said. Whoever contests and is elected to be the next president of Zimbabwe in 2030, 2037 or 2044 and beyond will equally benefit immensely and enjoy the benefits of the proposed new 7-year term. Chivayo then addressed a 33-minute audio recording allegedly involving Apostle P. Java and a journalist that he has circulated online. It dismissed the recording as gossip fiction and political folklore, adding that it is nothing more than a piece of sublime mysticism and nonsense. It rejected claims made in the recording about the presidency, ZANU-PF structures and the First Family, stating that Zimbabwe has no other kingmaker apart from God alone, and that there is only one center of power. He said President Emmerson Mnangagwa is of a very sound mind and firmly in control of the affairs of the nation. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.